Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. At 12:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bradford to Toluca, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streator, Morris, Channahon, Minooka, Peru, LaSalle, Braidwood, Coal City, Marseilles, Dwight, Spring Valley, Oglesby, Diamond, Seneca, Gardner, North Utica, Mazon, Braceville, and Tonka, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 65. Interstate 55 between mile markers 220 and 233. Interstate 80 between mile markers 73 and 120. This includes Buffalo Rock State Park, Gedwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, Illini State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Mathewson State Park, Starved Rock State Park, and William G. Stratton State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National